If you encounter any issues with printing, follow these steps for troubleshooting. Open the control panel on your computer and navigate to Devices and Printers. Right-click on your printer's name and select Printer Properties. Click on Print Test Page to print a Windows Self-Test page. If the Windows Self-Test page does not print, ensure that the printer driver port number matches the USB printer WT port number. To check this, double-click USB printer weight. Go to the Hardware tab and select USB printing support. Then go to Details and choose Bus Relations from the Property drop-down menu. Note the USB port name displayed. Next, select Printer Properties, go to the Ports tab and choose the correct port name that matches the USB printer WT port name. Click OK to save your settings if you adjusted or changed the port number to match both. Please restart the printer before starting to print. Your printer is now ready to print. Thank you for using our printer.